Yo, what's up, traders? November 9th, 2020, and it actually happens to be my birthday today. So got some pretty big market action this morning to wake up to. Is really exciting, and the volatility's back, man. Well, it actually hadn't gone anywhere, but let me put it this way. The election isn't over. We got a lot more to go into over the next 2-3 weeks. Litigation, and now all of a sudden vaccine trials are coming back, and just fancy enough that it's like 1 week after the election, here comes the news about positive news about vaccine, which definitely would have helped Trump, but of course, whatever, but we're moving forward, and it's going to be a crazy week, and next 2 weeks, pretty much all the way till January, I'd imagine. So anyways, buckle your seatbelts. Thanks for watching. We're going to get into some market action. I just sent out a trade signal on GBPJPY. We'll cover that. And thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm glad you're here. Click the links below. You can see all my different programs. I teach people beginner, intermediate, advanced, how to trade, my strategies that have worked for me for years. And I've taught thousands of people now how to trade. And for those that are more serious and want to make a career out of this, I can show you exactly how to get funded, how I went through the programs to make it happen. And then we have an elite group of traders that are all either funded or on their way to get there. And that is an amazing community as well. So whatever stage of the game you're at, I can take you there, man. So click the links below, check them out. Let's get right into the analysis here. Let me share my charts. And so GJ, here we are. So this was a big move we caught on GBPJPY. This massive move higher. Now this was the move from the vaccine trials. I just entered in at this 61.8% Fibonacci level here. I think this could play out as a really good trade. We're getting into the end of New York session volatility now, and this is setting up. I've got my stops above. Sorry, I'm just entering in another position here. Got my stop above the 61.8% retracement here. So right at 139.11. Looking for some downside move. We're in this big wedge, which kind of turning out to be a flag pattern potentially. Of course, this isn't that big of a. Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you like this video. Doing a $100 giveaway for everybody that likes, comments, and is subscribed to our channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered in the drawing. Enjoy the video. But right now, if this 61.8% retracement holds, I think this is going to be a great look to the downside here. So just entered in on GJ. Aussie US was pretty interesting setup here. We got a big move higher, which interestingly enough takes us right about to this level. If we go look over at what we're retesting there, this big level of a lot of congestion in the market here. I personally thought we were going to stop at this, or maybe make it to the 78.6, but we're not quite there yet. Well, actually we did. This is where we retested, hit the 78.6, and we're trading below it now. So we've re-entered this in my group, and we have a nice throw over here, which is one of my favorite little patterns to trade. I love a good throw over pattern. As long as which essentially is a false breakout. So have a nice throw over going on here. So we'll see what pans out. I think tomorrow is turnaround Tuesday. We could potentially see some good risk off action and maybe a resurgence in the dollar, which has already happened here in dollar Swiss. Caught a great trade on my personal account here, because look, we had this false breakdown. False breakdown typically leads to a breakout, y'all. So remember that. False breakdown here, move higher, and this is a pretty relentless move. So we're going to see you watch out for where this could stop. Let's see. I'm thinking we could move somewhere like in this vicinity. This is a breakdown following the election. Unfortunately, this is a false breakdown, and maybe something like that. From this point here, we're right at the 70.6, maybe not quite there yet. So this is a big signal for a move higher potentially in the dollar. There's dollar Swiss, dollar CAD made a big move today as well, or not a huge move. It made quite the breakdown. Let me put it that way. Now, whether this will be a false breakdown or not is yet to see. But you can see we've taken out some stops down here, and I still think. Personally, I think we're going higher, especially as more uncertainty around the election develops. So that's what I'm looking at. We have some great setups for the week. I hope you all had a great Monday and a great weekend, and let's crush it this week, everybody. Thanks for watching. Click the links below to check out my offers and stuff and every communities, free signal channel, Facebook group. Dude, I'm all over the place. So check it out. Click the links below, and hopefully I'll see you in my VIP group. Peace.